The Goods and Services Tax is set to be implemented in Malaysia in April next year, and one of the concerns is whether businesses are ready for it. Small and medium enterprises, especially, are still unfamiliar with many aspects of GST. While the government has offered them a 2-year grace period to fully implement GST besides various other incentives, they remain anxious about whether they will be ready for the change. For instance, it is crucial for businesses to observe proper record-keeping practices to make quarterly or monthly report submission to the Customs Department.
The most tedious part, I would say, is due to the quarterly submission or the monthly submission if it's a 5 million above revenue company. So these reportings have to be very accurate because legally it has to be, and the penalty is actually quite high. So from that perspective, the client, the consumer, the businesses have to start having a mindset that I need to prepare these reports at the end of the month or at the quarterly month.
The government has called on businesses to seek technical support from the 55 GST software vendors who are certified by the customs.
If they do their daily transaction correctly, there is really no fear at the end of the month because the reports automatically generate out. They really don't need to redo anything at all. So what we are doing now is educate our client that, okay, if you are not doing your daily transaction regularly, at least do it on a daily and a weekly basis so that you don't have such a big gap to catch up by the end of the 3rd month.
Seminars are also being held for businesses to help them understand GST, and some SMEs have taken